Hey guys, and welcome back to Grounds Family Farm. Today we are about to get started on some farm chores. We've got to go feed all the animals, and it is time to clean out their waterers. They've all gotten kind of gross, and we have to do it every couple of days. Today I'm actually going to scrub them a little bit too with a little bit of dish soap just to make sure they're actually clean. But I thought we'd bring you along with us, so let's go get started. Okay, so as you can probably see, these waters are disgusting. That's one of the things, having ducks. Any animals, but especially ducks. They like to get in the water and clean themselves, but in the process, no water that you have is safe. Everything's gonna wind up looking like that. So we have to clean these extremely often. Oh. Wow, that's pretty good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got 6 eggs. Good job. You probably want to move her because she's probably not actually laying. She likes to sit. Blizzard, really? Are you helping? Are you helping? All right. Just gonna take this I got this tub brush a while back that I only use for outdoor stuff. And that's what I use to scrub out these waters. A little dish soap in it. Dump it over the fence. I'll spray it out again in a second, but it's longer. The handle on this brush makes it a lot easier to scrub out of water than some other types of brushes. So, okay, gonna dump that one over the fence too. Dumped a little bit on my foot, but I think I'm done with that brush. Rinse this out. That'll be fine. Okay. Go ahead and let this one. That one needs an extra rinse. Hang on, something's wrong with my pressure, so I gotta go check and find a kink, and I'll be back. Oops. Oops, sorry. Okay, well that was exciting. I didn't realize that I hadn't turned off the hose whenever I went to go pull the kink out of it that's just down the line there. Decided to give everybody an extra shower. So now we're going to fill both of these up, and then we'll move on to the next animals. That probably will be the goats, because I actually need to move their waters a little closer to the fence anyway, because when we pulled the pin out, made it a little bit different shape to give them more grass. Their waters didn't move with them, so we'll do that in just a second. You know, look at these guys. Is it good? Is it good? Really? Let's be nice. Are y'all finding eggs? Do what? Is she letting you look under her? Okay. One of the turkeys has some eggs up underneath her, but she's not wanting the girls to get the eggs, so we'll see how that turns out. Look at these guys. They love some clean water.
That's how big Toby's gonna get?
Yeah.
He's still my baby.
Yeah, Toby is still
gonna be my baby.
Yep, Toby. Our ducky that was in the house. He's not in the house anymore though, is he?
Sadly not.
Well, he needed more space. He's out with the chicks now. Hey Blizzard, was that good water?
Oh, yummy. Yummy.
Hey guys. Yep. Spot the guinea.
I want to try to catch a chicken.
Let's don't right now. Because look at my water. It's about full. We got to move over to the goats. Okay, so these guys are eating right now. So I'm going to take the opportunity to go and clean their waters. They're right here. Fence line's right here. They need to be along the fence. That way I can actually get to them to fill them up every time. Because I don't really want to have to thread a hose through the fence all the time to take care of stuff. So let me get started on this. Put my stuff down. Yeah, see, these aren't quite as bad, but they do have a ring of pollen around them. And little algae in them, so we'll clean it up some and make sure they also have fresh water. I'm only using a drop of dish soap. Not using much, that way I don't have as much to get out of there. And since we do clean these regularly, it's really not that much hard work to actually get them completely cleaned up. Now if they had sat for a while, it would be a little more difficult, but they are constantly clean, constantly full of water, so. Hey, Blizzard. Yeah, you chose not to come in here. I'm gonna be filling up some water. Oh, you pet the white sheep? Good. Izzy's determined to make friends with the white sheep, so maybe it'll work. I don't know. We've been trying for a while. It's just not been very successful. I just want to show you something while this water is filling up. Abby is over there petting one of the white sheep. Only for short periods of time. But this is a start. This is definitely a good start.
That's Rascal.
Yeah, that's Rascal. Yep, and Sheepy.
Look at how close she got.
Yeah, Brownie's not bad. There's Brownie, yeah.
Oh, look at this little man. And the little man.
Yep.
From now on, he's the star of the show.
I don't know. We'll see.
Yes.
All right, let me show you my waters over here. Much cleaner. Much closer to the fence. Much easier for me to take care of now. And this one is about to be filled up as well. It is a gorgeous day today, though. It's very windy, so I apologize for that. Because if you hear any wind noise, we never know from day to day if it's going to be windy or if it's going to be calm. We are up on top of a hill. We've generally got a little bit of a wind going on, but today it's a little extra for some reason. I don't know. But at least it's warm, at least the sun's shiny, and I can't really complain. All right, this one's done, so I guess we're gonna see where else we need to go. Hey, Carmi. You see the fresh water? You're not sure about that hose sitting there, are you? All right, guys. I need to go do the emu's water and then the donkey's water. All right, so, hey, baby. Hey, Zippy. There's Zippy. All right, there's no really that easy way to dump these other than just go straight out and try not to get it all over my feet and pants. And it's funny because more than likely in just a little bit they will be over here playing in the water.
Yeah, because what they like today,
They love mud holes.
Sit down in the water.
Got to move that shelter a little bit anyway later. So I'm not too concerned about the fact that it's going that direction. Okie dokie. Okay, here. Yeah, they are. They just get that way in a hurry. Because, yeah, look at that, guys. Not clean. Alright. Don't harass me while I'm cleaning this time, guys. Usually they like to get right up in the middle of stuff. They just don't know what I'm doing, so they're very, very curious creatures. No, I don't want them getting riled up. Plus, there's a lot of mud now from this. It'll be dried up before the end of the day, though. It'll be all dried up by the end of the day. I'm going to go ahead and scrub out the other one, too, before I rinse. Just because. That way I can set the scrub brush out and they won't be trying to take off with it. Alright, that looks so much better. This one right here, this lighter colored one, is a little stained from stuff it previously had in it. So it is clean now, but it's going to look a little dirty. Oh, man. Fill that up. Hey, guys. See if I can get out of here now without slipping and sliding. Slipping in that would not be fun. Oh, no. Okay, got the fence secured. Hey everybody. We having a good day?
Blizzard ran off with the brush, so I had to get it.
Blizzard ran off with the brush.
Yeah. So now we should be keeping that.
Hey.
Outside. Oh yeah, you like the
Yeah, they love fresh water. Where'd that extra wind come from?
Don't know.
Yeah, as you can see, both of these are clean now. Just gotta wait on them to fill up. So before I move on down to clean the other waters, I figured I'd show you what I was talking about with the emus in the mud. They're so funny. They will sit there and just cover themselves in mud. Lay down in it, roll around in it a little bit. Shake it everywhere, so you gotta make sure you're standing back. Is that fun? We taking mud baths today? Are we taking mud baths? Y'all like your fresh water, but you like your muddy water too, huh? Y'all are so funny. Alright, about to head down here to the donkeys. Okay, so I have 3 to clean out here. They've already fed them. So here, you're going to need to back up, okay? Because this one is going to be a challenge. We'll see if I can do it, but I should be able to because we're kind of going downhill, but... Oh, okay. There's number 2. Cover my feet. It's a waterfall.
I like waterfalls.
Okay, here's the pigs. These guys don't really know what to think about this. They're all just staring at me like, you are crazy. Maybe a little bit, but you know. Give me a minute. You are fine. I've had water this whole time. I guess everybody gets excited about having some clean water. That one is going to take a while to fill up because it is so big. The girls have some treats that they want to feed to the horses and donkeys, so I figure we'd do that while we're out here. Hey, do y'all want to feed the treats? Make sure you give one to Penelope, yeah. That is so precious. I'm so glad that she loves it.
Okay, hold. You can't have these treats.
Yep, they're just for the donkeys and horses. See if Spice will take one. Spicy girl. Oh, good deal.
I'm at my fourth one. I have one hand available.
Hey, Daisy.
Crickets in the island. What noise is that? You sound like a maniac.
Hey, Daisy. What are we doing here, pretty girl? Did you get one? Have y'all given Daisy one?
No, we have not taken Daisy.
She's wanting one. She's trying to see if I've got any. I don't have any. But Abby does.
Oh, yes.
Tuh.
Hi.
Short stack.
Yes, you want to go to PetSmart? Okay.
We're not taking him to
I
PetSmart.
want to ride him in there.
He's a little too big.
You are just
Hulk's like, where's my scratches?
Scratches are right here, sir. Oh, yes. Hey, baby. Oh, you like that too. Ooh.
Hey, Spicy girl. Yeah, I don't have treats, but
But why not?
I like it when you come up and see me. Hey, precious.
You are very precious.
Mm-hmm. Is he who you feeding to? Did you try pancakes? Pancakes is just over there minding their own business. Short stack, really.
Now I'm going to go rescue more.
If she doesn't want to, you can feed it to Spice. That's fine.
You want to see the crickets?
Did y'all feed anything to Comet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah, that's my toes are not trees. I don't have them.
These guys just absolutely love when we come in the pen and hang out with them.
I've caught 2 crickets so far, but we have to move their home. You know why?
Why?
Their other one got flooded. So they're...
Izzy's the most popular person in the pen right now.
Hi, Buzzard.
Yeah, there's Hulk.
He like scratches behind the ears, don't you, sir?
I think it's funny how they like to sit in the troughs and feed them. Hey, Short Stack. What's up, buddy? What's up? You gonna stay at the smallest that we got?
And you are the...
Watch out, don't scare him.
You're okay, baby. Yep.
Daisy and Spice both want it.
Not a Short Stack. It's going to Spice, girl. It's like, what? You're so...
Oh, okay, well, I guess Daisy's the taker. Spice decided to turn away, so. But I think we're fixing to finish up these waters and go take care of the other stuff. I've had a few of you ask about how the peacocks are doing, if we still had them and all that, and we do. Blizzard really turned on the water hose and he got in the first mud hole that he found. You're gonna be brown. Oh my word, sir. Oh my word. Really, Blizzard? Really? You are nasty now. Lizard. Well, he is having the time of his life right now. But let me show you the peacocks. Hey guys. Can I come in and get your water and clean it? Can I come clean your water? Sorry. There's a few holes out here. As you can see, we're going to need to move their pen very shortly. Not today, because obviously Kevin's not with me, so I can't do that. But one of these days, very soon, we're going to have to do that so they can have some fresh grass. That's the beauty of these type of pens, though, honestly. Hey! Hey, y'all need some food, too. Y'all need some food, too. Hi! Hey, beauties! Y'all are definitely gorgeous. Do you want some feed? Yeah. Takes them a long time to eat a thing of feed down, though. Okay, let's toss that out. Oh goodness, this is heavy, even though it's only under half full. So, all right, I'm gonna fasten y'all back for a minute. But I just need you to see for a minute the tiny tornado that is Blizzard. He's so excited about this mud. We're gonna have to get him a pool. Are we gonna have to get you a pool, buddy? I think so. That way he has clean water to play in and not that nasty stuff. And always, if I can't find my scrub brush, you know who over there usually has it. I guess the rubber grip feels good on his little teeth. Little mud ball. Good thing we bought some dog soap the other day. Yes, that's what we're gonna do after I get the rest of these waters cleaned up, is give you a bath. Be anxious to see how that one goes. Okay, so it is time to give little Blizzard a bath. We shall see how this works. Come here. Whoa. We are gonna give him a bath. Don't try not to get me soaked, but let's get some water on him. On his back and everything too. Okay. Here you go. Okay. My hand. You can in a minute, but there you go. Look at all that mud.
He's so bubbly. He's so bubbly. Hopefully it doesn't get in his mouth.
Well, they make this soap specially for animals so that it's safe. That's the thing. There's a good boy. There's a good boy. Hey. I'm getting soaked.
Good boy.
Okay, hold on to that, okay? I'm going to have to move down this body just a little bit.
Like this. I'm rain ready for it.
Oh, you smell good now. This stuff smells so good. And we know there's a high possibility that he's going to be gross again before you know it, but
there's like a 100%, there's like a 1,000% chance that he's going to.
I did bring a towel out too, though.
I got ball wrapped.
Yep.
So it's safe for them to eat, but they shouldn't eat.
I mean, it's not going to hurt him if he licks it or something, but.
So cute. Oh.
This is what Blizzard looks like under all the hair.
I've always been a baby. No, Soapy Monster. Soapy Monster. Soapy Monster.
Izzy left us to take care of some of the other animals.
Your skin. Oh, okay. I've never seen your skin before.
Yes, you have. Under his belly. Okay, hold his neck for me. Make sure he doesn't run off.
He looks like, nope.
Okay. Here.
He's so white.
Yeah, that's how he was when we got him. Isn't it, baby? Yeah. Oh, were we a little sad and indignant? Okay, I've got a towel right up there.
Oh, baby.
Alright, sweet thing. Let's see. Alright. Okay.
burrito.
he seems to like this one.
Cutest burrito ever.
You like this part? Yes, sir.
Is that water hose still on?
You love this. Yeah. Okay. You want to get up? You want to get up? Because I know you're going to shake as soon as you get up, probably. Okay. Okay, so that proved to be quite the adventure. Had no idea that he was going to do that he was going to basically roll in the mud and need a bath. Obviously wasn't a big fan of the water hose rinsing him off, but after that he really enjoyed the snuggles of getting dried off. But you never know what you're going to encounter day to day on the farm. I mean, I went down there to go clean out waters and then wound up washing a dog. Yeah. So that's just kind of the way things go. But we just kind of roll with it and have fun as we go. But we really appreciate you guys watching, and we will catch you next time at Grounds Family Farm.
Bye.
Bye.